Hello folks, and welcome to another video. This is just a short video really looking at a piece of software called Driver Booster. Now you might be thinking, why am I looking at this software? Well, it's actually very useful. So when you open the software, it immediately scans for any out-of-date drivers. Now your display drivers from NVIDIA will likely be updated through the NVIDIA app, so that's not really much of an issue. But other drivers such as this, you would have to go to the manufacturer's website and look for them. And unless you know that there's new drivers out, you probably won't even think to do that. Now, as you can see, scrolling down here, this has updated a lot of drivers over the time that I've had the PC. It's also a very useful piece of software if you need to, for example, format and replace your operating system. You simply download this piece of software and then it'll update all the drivers for you and you're done. And all you do is click Update Now, and it will download all the drivers. You can even set it to reboot the PC afterwards if you want. It's not always the quickest downloads, but it does a fairly good job fairly quickly. And what I tend to do is just leave it in the background and play some games. It costs about £15 a year to have this software. So it's a subscription type thing, but there is a free version. So I do pay for this each year because I think it's actually worth it, just to keep my PC up to date. Because obviously, you know, if you've got a PC and you've got a laptop and various other machines, they've all probably got different hardware, different graphics cards, motherboards, chipsets, this sort of thing. And it's good to just have a piece of software, a single piece of software that scans the whole internet and finds everything you need and just does it for you. They do offer other software as well, but I only actually use this, as I find Windows cleaning software and whatnot not to really be particularly necessary. In my opinion, it creates restore points and whatnot as well as it does the updates, so if there's an issue you can roll it back. And the only slight weird thing is that they are constantly changing the name, so it'll be Driver Booster 10, 11, 12, without any like seemingly major changes, but that's not really a big deal. So I can highly recommend Driver Booster Pro, or as it is now, Driver Booster 12 Pro. It's a good bit of software. It'll make your life easier with your computer. It means you've got more time to do things like play games. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, please remember to hit that like button, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video on your socials, and of course check out my Patreon. I want to thank you very much for watching and tell you to have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.